basically for me, it's
some better than others, open yung spot ng second, third, fourth sa pacing. And San Vera, tapos I see yung there, piso sa pre-season, I see.
Dark horse. Number 1 is Lasio. The rest of the team naman, para sa amin, are all team dahil wala naman kami advantage. But I guess Lasio and the plan will always be there.
Well, una-una, papasalamat ako sa coaches kasi came to beat kami. It's an added pressure to my players and to me myself. But again, I do appreciate it. And dark horse fan eh. But again, if you look at the pre-season, based on the pre-season tournaments, LPU and Sebastian Terry, Letran, Perpetual, really beat us with Philoil.
I think dark horses would be LPU and Perpetual.
Case kasi dun sa pre-season na, maganda yung showing talaga ng ICU, maganda yung development nila from last year dun sa NCAA. Maganda talaga yung takbo nila.
Letran, Jerry over VHS.
So I think I've always said that dark horses are LPU. That's like, of course, case general, because we have the winner.
Wow. Thank you po. Maraming salamat.